Repeatables are one of the designer's most useful tools in the Splash CMS. Consider them your new best friend. A repeatable is one element or a group of elements that repeats or copies its style to its duplicates. Repeatables tend to mimic the technology of MasterCards in InDesign, for they can be styled individually or all at once to save the designer time. Repeatables are most commonly used to create speaker blocks, schedule blocks, and sponsor blocks. And examples of blocks that include repeatables by default can be found all over our block library. A repeatable empowers the user to add new content to their event page, in this case an additional speaker, without having to style each of those elements a second time. This is because styles only need to be set once on the master repeatable. You are able to quickly and easily add more repeatables to a block by hovering over the repeatable container, surfacing the green Add Item button, and clicking. Added too many or need to get rid of a few? No worries. Simply hover over an individual repeatable and click the X Delete button. All right, understand that I'm absolutely about to geek out here, but one of the coolest aspects of repeatables is that it's the only place in the actual event page where you can click, hold, and drag individual components around the block to reorder. Need to move an important speaker to the front of the line? No problem. What if you need to make a last-minute adjustment to your run of show in your schedule block? Just click and drag that bad boy around the block.